you want to learn more Chinese, please follow me. First, I will tell you something about China. You know that China have 56 ethnic groups. You can't believe that. You know that what I'm wearing is from Han ethnic group. You know that my mother's family is from Han ethnic group.
Wow.
Hoo-ha! Hey-ya! Hoo-ha! Hey-ya! Is handsome, right?
Cool.
These letters called ping, they are Chinese sounds. Okay, let's do it. Hello means ni hao. Thank you means 谢谢. Goodbye means 再见. You know that? Look these tones. Sound quite funny, right? Something like this, something like that. Ooh. To learn Chinese, this is very, very important. English don't have. Now we see how many tones we have. Ooh, voila. Ooh, the first one is flat. This is a ping up. Ooh, if you make together, it makes the sound ah. Let's do it now. Now follow me. Open big your mouth. Ah. Down, stretch your arm. Then do like me. Ah. No. Ah. No. Ah. No. Ah. You did good. Ah. That's good. Now we do the next one. Now the is down to up. Now follow me. You did great. Now we do the third one. Is up to down, down to up. Repeat after me. You did great. Now we do the fourth. Up to down. Up to down. You can repeat after me. You did a great job. Now we do the fifth. Oh no, have no tone. Is repeat after me. You did a great job. Now let's learn how to say hello in Chinese. No for nose, I for iguana. Together makes ni. Don't forget with the third sound. No. E. Ni. Now we do the next one. H. For horse. A. For apple. O. For orange. The A. The A with the O equals ow. Together. H. Ow. How. Don't forget with the third sound. How. H. Ow. How. Ni hao. Ni hao. The ni with the hao. Ni hao. Now we learn how to say thank you in Chinese. 谢谢. C for sheep. E for iguana. E for girl. E with the yeah. With the C equals xie. With the toe equals xie. Again, xie. Together, xie. 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 Thank you. Xie xie. Thank you. Xie xie. Thank you. Xie xie. Thank you. Now we learn how to say goodbye in Chinese. 再见. Z for zebra, A for apple, E for iguana equals I. With Z, I, 在. Don't forget the tone, 在. Let's do the other one. G for jeep. G for jeep. E for iguana, R for apple, N for nose. With the R with the N equals an. Jian. 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 Don't forget the tone. Equals 见. Don't forget. 再见见. 再见. 再见. Wow, you did so good today. You learned all of this. Look, this flower. I will give to you a surprise. Look, it's a horse now. It's magic, right? Thank you for watching my TV show. Please subscribe and